Hello everyone! In this tutorial we explain how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code editor in Linux Ubuntu and how to run Python code. Okay, let's start immediately. As always, the first step is to download the installation file. For that purpose, open your favorite browsers, go to Google and search download VS Code. Okay, now go to this web page, or you can immediately just write this address inside of your web browser, and over here you need to choose the proper options. So we have a Windows options, we don't want to install on a Windows machine, and we have Linux options. Okay, since in my case I'm having Linux Ubuntu, I need to select this file. So let's click on this file and the download process will start. You will see over here. Now, usually Linux Ubuntu stores all the files in a special folder. The name of that folder is the download folder. You can access this download folder by clicking over here. We don't want to do that for the time being. And the best strategy is actually to click on Files, click on Downloads, and here's our file. Let's do the right click and let's see the properties of this file. Okay, so here's the file. It's actually in the downloads folder, and the downloads folder is in the home folder. Let's look at the permissions. Let's see what are the permissions. Read and write, this is good. Read and write. And others, leave it as it is. Read only. Open with, don't play with this option. And close this. The next step is to open a terminal. To open a terminal, click over here and search for terminal. Here's the terminal. Now I will resize my terminal such that you can nicely see what I'm typing actually. Okay, let's see where we are. To see where we are in Linux, type pwd. And I'm currently in my home folder. Good. So let's go to the downloads folder. To go to the downloads folder, type actually cd. This symbol tilde is a symbol for the home folder, and we need to type downloads. Okay, let's see the content of the download folder. To see that, type ls-la, and here's our file. This is the file that we need to install. So how to install this file? Now, there are several approaches. However, before you even try to install this file, let's set the executive permissions. That is, over here we can see that we can read and write, but we cannot execute. So to be able to execute this file, type chmod +x, and now one approach would be to simply copy the name of this file over here and to paste. Another approach would be to type several first letters of this file, for example code, and then press tab key. And then you'll see that Linux is able to automatically autocomplete the name of the file. Okay, so let's do this. Good. Now let's see again the content of the file, and you can see over here that we can actually execute this file also. Okay, the next step is actually to install this file. To do that, we need to execute this command. The name of the command is sudo dpkg-i, and then again type code and press stop. And let's press enter. Enter your password. And here it is. Now be patient, this will not take long time. And here it is. Believe it or not, you have just installed VS Code editor. Let's go further. After running this command, let's also run this command. Okay, now we are ready to start VS Code. There are several approaches and several methods for starting VS Code. The easiest approach is to simply write in a terminal code. That's it. And here is your Visual Studio Code. Good. Let me show you another approach. Close this, click over here and simply search for code. And here is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, these are the two approaches. Okay, the next step is to teach you how to run Python code in VS Code in Linux Ubuntu. However, before we do that, we have to make sure that we have Python on our system. Python should come together with Linux Ubuntu installation. That is, you don't need to separately install Python if you installed standard Linux Ubuntu distribution. However, still, it's a good practice to check if Python is installed in your Linux system. To do that, we need to type python 3 -- version. And here it is. You can see that currently my Python version is Python 3.10.12. Good. So we can continue and we can run VS Code. Now, what I like to do when running a VS Code is to create a separate folder for a VS Code project. To do that, let me go back to my home folder. You can see that I'm in the home folder. And inside of this home folder, I will make my project folder. I will type mkdir to create a folder, and I will call the folder test code. Okay, then I will navigate to my test code, and over here I will run code with dot. This will actually tell VS Code that we want to start VS Code from this folder, and that this will be our project folder. Okay, next thing is to basically do a few things, to actually adjust a few settings over here. The first thing you will be asked is, do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? Yes, I trust the authors. Okay, cool. Now, over here you can select your standard theme. I'm just going to click on Markdown, and over here I can create a new file, I can open a file, open a folder, etc. Let's click on New File, and over here let's name the file. I will call it test1.py. All the Python files have the extension .py. And here it is. Where you want to save it, we want to save it in our test code folder and click on Save. And here's our file. Now, if I type something over here, the font size might be small. So let's learn how to increase the font size over here. Click on File, click on Preferences, and click on Settings. And over here, expand text editor, click on Font, and let's increase the font size to 18, for example. Now, you can see over here that we are asked, do we want to install the recommended Python extensions from Microsoft for the Python languages? We will click on this later. For the time being, just let's close this thing. Okay, so this will be 18 now, and that's it. Now let's go back to our file and let's start typing a code. So for example, we need to type print. This is my first program. And let's, for example, add two numbers. For example, A is 5, B is 3, C is A plus B, and let's print C. Okay, this is our first Python program. Next, let's learn how to install Python extensions for the VS Code. To do that, we need to press basically Ctrl-Shift-H, and let's search for Python over here. And then you have this option, Python language support by Microsoft.com. Let's install this. Okay, you can see it's installing, and now the Python language support is installed. This will help us when typing Python code, since we will be able to automatically align things and we will have suggestions, etc. The next step is to learn how to run this code in Python. Next, let's learn how to execute Python code files in Visual Studio Code. The best strategy for doing this is to actually create a virtual environment. But wait a second, what is a virtual environment? Well, Virtual environment is a Python environment that's separated from the base Python environment. This means that in your virtual environment you can install packages, you can install certain options, you can adjust the Python settings, and these settings and these packages will only be valid for that particular virtual environment. They will not apply to the base environment. This enables you to have several Python projects that use different versions of packages, and this is very important. Next, let's learn how to create a virtual environment in Visual Studio Code. To do that, press Ctrl-Shift-P and type Python, and over here you have several options. Click on this option, Create Environment, or you can simply do this, right? Python Create Environment. Okay, now here you have two options. You have V. This is the environment we want to choose, and besides that you also have an Anaconda environment. So let's choose this environment, and over here you need to select your Python interpreter. In our case we're using 3.10.12 and 64-bit Python, so let's click on this version. Okay, now you can see creating the environment, and the following environment is selected. You can see. Now notice what is written over here. You can see that our environment is active. Next, let's learn how to run this code in Python. There are several ways. The easiest way is to do right click, and then you can simply run Python. For example, run Python file in terminal. So let's do that. And you see what's written over here. Here it is. Here's our terminal. We are executing this file. This is our file execution. You can see we are printing, this is my first program, and we are printing the message as well as A plus B is equal to C, and that's it. Notice over here that we are currently in our virtual environment, and this is very important. This virtual environment is associated with this folder, and it's associated with this Python file. Before we end this video tutorial, let me show you one important thing. Close VS Code, and we will be back in our terminal. Now in this terminal, type ls-la, and what you will see over here, you will see this folder .vnv. So let's go to that folder. Okay, and let's see the content of that folder. Here it is. This is basically the folder that specifies our environment, and that will have all the information about the packages and other important things. Okay, that's all for today.